Hi ELAC students, my name is Genevieve Ayala and I am a counselor, and I am going to show you how to access your email through your student portal, through the SIS portal. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So let's actually start by going to elac.edu, and you're going to click up here to where it says register. Once you click that, it's going to take you to your home page, which looks like this. Once you're at your home page, you are going to click on this right here, Mail Outlook. Now this will take you to this screen, and you're probably like, where is my mail? I don't see it, my email. Right here on the left-hand side, you see where it says Word, Excel, PowerPoint. This is all like Google Drive, but it's OneDrive, so you can use this for school. But right here, this is the icon that we're looking for, Outlook. You're gonna go ahead and click on that, and it'll take you to your mail. So really simple steps, and it's really important to access your email and check it every day, every few days, because that's where financial aid will send your information to. Any official information from ELAC after a counseling appointment or whatever, your professors, that will all go to your Outlook email. So make sure that you're checking that. I will see you in the next counseling tutorial. Bye.